Hi everybody, so I just wanted to do a quick video about some of my fall favorites. So I'm gonna make this really quick, but I haven't done a favorites video in a while, and I thought that it would be fun just to do a quick favorites, things that I've been grabbing for non-stop lately. Alright, so the first item would have to be my Black Radiance blush, which I have on today. It's a baked blush, and this is in the color Toasted Almond. I love this, and it's just like a burgundy color, and it's just gorgeous, so pretty. And I have been reaching for this non-stop. Next is, I have on falsies today, but Benefit's They're Real mascara. Let me tell y'all, alright, it is worth the hype. Okay, I am not one to spend a lot of money on mascara. I use drugstore mascaras because I think it's a waste, because I get rid of my mascaras like every 2 months. So I just think it's a waste, but I had to try this. And then the good thing about Sephora is if you don't like it, you can take it back. So I was like, okay, well, you know, I'll go ahead and try it. Well, honey, let me tell you something. This, you don't have any lashes, this is gonna give you lashes. Let me tell you, this mascara is no joke. Yes, it's expensive, it's $23 for the mascara, but I am not mad. What you're supposed to do is you just go up and you wiggle like you normally do, and then it's designed with a ball on the tip, and I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a ball on the tip where you just go up to separate, and you're gonna have them long lashes. This mascara is the bomb, the bomb, the bomb. And yeah, so I gotta focus. So the next item would have to be and I got this from Thomas Adriana, I think her name is, and I love her channel. Hey girl, I love your channel. But she raved and raved about this Ruby Kisses HD setting powder, okay? So I'm like, all right, let me try it. It's only like $5 or whatever, so I'm gonna go try it and see, she's raved about it. Well, I love it. I'm using the Banana as a setting powder for under my eyes, because I use a lighter color, a shade, couple shades lighter than my skin tone, to highlight under my eyes, and then I've been setting it with this HD powder, and this is no joke. Now I wouldn't use this all over my face because you may look ashy, but it's no joke. $5, yeah. I have it on today and I absolutely love it. I haven't been able to stop using it. And then I go in with my mineralized skin finish. I just do that all over as a setting powder, and I'm loving it. So I switched my foundations from, because over the summer I was using a couple different foundations, but now I am using my Makeup Forever HD foundation, and I am in the color 177, and I love it. I mean, I absolutely love it. I have oily skin, and I will say this keeps me matte all day. You do need to wear a primer. I always wear a primer, and I'm using my Tarte Poreless Primer, and it's the bomb, thebomb.com. So I do suggest that you try it. Makeup Forever, I mean, there's a ton of reviews on Makeup Forever, but I really like this foundation for the fall time. I've also been using my Milani's bronzer, but I haven't been, and it's in the color medium, but I haven't been using it as a contour. I've been actually using it as a transition color. So I have it on today on my eyes, and I really, really, really like it. It's a little bit darker than MAC's, I want to say Texture. It's similar to Texture, but it's a little bit darker, and I really like this as a transition color. Great, great option. So what else? Oh, let's get into the lips. Okay, so today I have on Black Radiance, and there's no name for this. It's just a number, and it's 5033, and it's just like a purple color, as you can see, and I've been wearing it with the NYX's deep purple lip liner, and I'm really liking it. Okay, so that's what I have on today, and it was like $3. Okay, I've also been loving and it's a lot of reviews on this, but the Rimmel's Kate lipstick in 09. You can wear this with a lot of different, you can wear it with NYX's deep purple, You can wear it with NYX's Auburn. You know, there's a lot of different options you can wear this lipstick with, if you can see that. Okay, and if you guys want me to maybe try some on, then I certainly can. I wouldn't mind, you know, doing that. I've also been using NYX's Merlot, and this is a matte. It's one of their matte lipsticks. I'm gonna do this quick because I have a lot of lipsticks, but it's a matte lipstick, okay, and it's Merlot. Also, I've been using MAC's Up the Amp, and I would probably pair Up the Amp with Night Moth to make it a little bit darker. It's one of my fall favorites. I also like Remmel's Bordeaux. It's like another, you know, dark burgundy plummy color, great for fall. And MAC's Rebel, which is a little darker. It's like a, you know, a purplish color, another purple color. For nudes, I've been loving this Revlon's Nude Attitude, and it's a matte, really pretty. I'm trying to make this quick because I don't want this video to be too long. And I also, you know, my all-time favorite is Ruby Woo by MAC. I mean, that's just all year round. I don't care what season it is. I really love it. But an alternative would be Revlon's Really Red, and it's a matte. It's brighter. I can't compare it. I don't think there's any color like Ruby Woo. I'm sorry, you're just gonna have to do with it. I don't know any dupes for Ruby Woo, but here is a nice red that I like as well, and this is Revlon's Really Red. I have a couple reds I really like too, but again, I didn't want the video to be too long. So yeah, I may do a video showing you the different lipsticks, like trying them on so you can see them on me and see how they look. But that's pretty much it. Like, it was pretty quick. Quick haul, and if you have any questions, let me know. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.